Hi there, folks. I am Angelika Trasadas, and I will be showing to you my very own video that will show the basic tutorial for getting the speed in solving for speed, we need the aid of some tools or materials. We need, of course, a tape measure. We also need a calculator for computations, a marker if we ever mark distances, if ever we only have one tape measure. We also need a stopwatch or a cell phone like this. And we also need, of course, a pen and a paper in order to get you solving. So, are you ready with my basic tutorial?
The first step, of course, in experiments is to gather the required data. So in solving for the speed, we need to have distance and time. So in order for us to get the distance, we use a measuring device such as a tape measure. Then, after you have the tool, determine the distance that you prefer to experiment on. For example, you can have a fixed distance of 8 meters that you will be utilizing in 5 trials.
So if you want to get the average speed, you need to do it many times. So in order to achieve an organized data, we must construct a table that would consist of all the required data for your experiment. 8 meters in every trial. So we have to write, for the first trial we have 6:48 seconds. First, we have to know our formula, which is V, or velocity or speed, is equal to distance over time. So let's solve trial number 1. V equals, our distance is 8 meters, divided by the time, which is 6.48 seconds. So we have here now that we have gathered all the results for our speed in every trial, we have to get the average. So, let's solve it with a calculator. Let's